Hi students, question is check whether 6 raised to n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. We have to check that 6 raised to n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. So first of all, if a number ends with 0, prime factor must be in the pair of 2 into 5. This statement says that any unit digit number 0 means that it can be multiple term of 2 into 5. Suppose that example is 20 is there, so we can write 2 into 10 and factor of 10 is 5 into 2. So this is a one pair of term. Suppose that 200 we can take, so answer is 2 into 100. So this is a multiple pair of 10 into 10, and this is two pair, that is 2 into 5 and 2 into 5. So it is proved that any digit number, unit digit number 0 can be multiple of 2 into 5. So let's check it whether 6 raised to n is can end with digit 0 or not. So 6 raised to n, factor of 6 is 2 into 3 raised to n. Here we can separate this term, that is 2 raised to n and that is 3 raised to n. We know that n is the natural number, but here we already discussed that it must be pair of 2 raised to 1 and 5 raised to 1. Here pair is only for 2 raised to n, but here not 5 raised to n. So 6 raised to n cannot end with digit 0. Another question is, there is circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Let they both start at the same point and the same time. Same point and the same time, and go in the same direction also. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Suppose that this is a circular path where Sonia and Ravi start the same point, same time and same direction. So this is the figure. Now Ravi takes 12 minutes and Sonia takes 18 minutes. The point is same point, same time and same direction. Same point, same time and same direction. So starting point is this and complete point from this point. So we have to find first of all, if after how many times, how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point. If we have to find this point, so first of all we have to take LCM of this point, LCM of 12 and 18. If we find LCM of this point, we got the answer. Let's take the LCM. 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 2 3 are 6, 9 is 8 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 ones are. So answer is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 4 into, so answer is 36 minutes. After 36 minutes they meet again at the same starting point.